What's up, Toberovers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So basically, today we are back at motocross. Basically, motor wash, premium car wash and detailing. Today we're getting our Skoda Slavia washed inside out. The interiors are going to be vacuumed. The mats are going to be cleaned. The seats are going to be cleaned. The exterior is going to be foam washed, and the underbody is also going to be cleaned. So I'll share the process, the whole process with you all. All right, let's get started straight away. So guys, basically they're going to clean the interiors. All right, vacuum it, wash it. The mats are already out. They're going to foam wash the exterior, the alloys and everything, okay, and they're also going to clean the underbody as well. You can hear the sound of the vacuum. They've already started vacuuming. Let's go inside and see. So the vacuum has already begun. Go to the other side. There you can see the vacuuming is begun. So full cleaning for my baby today. So guys, the vacuuming is done. Now he's going to be cleaning the interior plastics with a shiner. He's already doing over there, as you can see. And all these things will also be, given a shine with that particular interior polish. So this has not been, there's no shiner applied over here. This is the before effect. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. This is the before effect. I'll show you the after effect once he finishes over there. Alright. So guys, this is shining a little bit more than that side over there. I don't know if you all can see, but I can see clearly that there is a little bit more shine compared to what it was earlier. So guys, the car has been washed. Okay, the foam wash is complete. Look at it, it's shining like anything and it's looking good. I'm really happy with the work that they have done. Now it's wipe down is left. They're going to wipe it down and everything, and then we're going to leave and we're going to conclude the video then. But just check out the work, the finishing, it's shining, everything looks good. Let's have a look inside once as well. The interiors are also, you know, clean and shiny. These are the new seat covers. All right. Let me show you the back as well. There you go. It's clean and shiny, looking nice. I'm really happy with the work. All right. So guys, this is a tire shine. As you can see, he's using it to make it a little bit more shinier. I'll be using it there. The car is now showroom new. So guys, the work is complete. Now they're gonna be packing the car up, taking out from there, and then we will conclude the video. So guys, the wash is complete. The car is looking amazing. It's shining and everything, and really happy with the work. You can see it from the back also. I mean, it's practically a new car. It's only what, July, August, September, October, I think 3 months old, and you know, completed 3 months 3 days back. So I still took it for a spa. Anyway, I'm very happy with what they have, how they have worked on the vehicle, and it's clean, brand new. And let's get inside and conclude the video. So guys, we are done with the spa day today. The car is looking amazing, and I hope you all have seen the look of the car post the wash. And yeah, it's looking showroom new now. Okay, and the seat covers are also, you know, brand new now, installed and everything. They look good as well, and I'm happy with the work. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any more uploads. One thing I forgot to mention was the cost of the wash. The cost of the wash, including underbody, interior, exterior cleaning and everything, with the tire shine, was 600 bucks. So reasonable, I think, pretty reasonable. And I mean, what more can you ask? All right, so thank you so much for joining, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.